Sri Lankan sour fish, or as it is called, Malu, ambul, thiyal. Sri Lankan Malu ambul thiyal is a must-try sour fish curry. This method of cooking helps to preserve fish without refrigeration or freezing. I will be cooking this ambul thiyal in a clay pot to enhance flavor. I am using tuna fish and I prefer to remove the skin off before cooking. Fish ambul thiyal is very popular at almsgiving ceremonies. Here I am sharing my grandma's authentic fish ambul thiyal recipe from Matara, which is the south of Sri Lanka. Don't cut fish too big or too small. I prefer 2-inch cubes, but these are cut into 2 by 3-inch pieces. We buy the whole fish, which is cleaned by the store staff, and they slice it too, but I guess they did not understand my instructions. You don't need lots of ingredients to cook fish ambul thiyal. Check the description box for the list. In a bowl, add this goraka paste. This is the base that makes the fish sour. Always use a plastic spoon due to acidity. Add turmeric powder, salt, black pepper powder, chili powder. My chili powder is somewhat brown, huh? Water to make a paste. Mix well. Add the fish one by one to coat all sides well. Combine well. Arrange the fish pieces in the pot in a single layer. Add cinnamon, curry leaves, and pandan leaves. Cover the pot. Cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Carefully flip the fish over and continue to cook. When the liquid is reduced and the fish begins to get stuck to the pot, use mittens to hold the pot and shake it gently. Do not stir as the fish will break. If you want a drier fish ambul thiyal, feel free to put this in a slow oven for about 20 minutes. This sour fish is usually eaten with rice and vegetables. It is so easy to make. You also try it and let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.